One of the many targets the public sector has set is to generate greater efficiencies and improve the use of taxpayers' money on IT projects. Open source software is one way in which councils can save money, as they're not bound to expensive license agreements. Camden Council selected open source because it allowed their developers to test solutions at very little cost before they were fully implemented.
So open source, what it does is it gives us the opportunity to test things first at a very minimal cost. Before then we have to start thinking about, okay, did this work, didn't it work, are we going to keep this, are we going to throw it away and start again? And we see this as being a very important way for us to support the business in developing the efficiencies that they need, rather than spending a lot of time in a specification and then procurement phase.
So the way this solution helped us to achieve greater efficiency was by being able to put quickly together on short time scale a proof of concept that allow us to have a project with low risk and high visibility to the business that we were able then to reuse on subsequent projects, and therefore helped us to achieve greater efficiencies this way.
We can clearly demonstrate from the project that we've delivered for the planning, licensing and enforcement area that the prototyping system works, and because of the way in which we've used open source software, we were able to then scale it up to full level production system at very little additional cost. So really the only costs that we incurred at that point were to getting the right level of support and licensing from Red Hat JBoss going forwards.
Here at Camden, we didn't decide for Metametrics simply because it was an open source solution, but because it met our business objective and the constraint of the project in which we developed the solution. However, in Camden we have got a good experience of working in partnership with Red Hat in the past. So it's true that having that confidence in going before in the project, we were able to set up the project very quickly at low risk.
We've now got a mandate to move forward with both the prototyping approach to new projects and also to take the open source software that we've used further within the business. So we're now looking at expanding this for integrating all of the different back office systems within Camden.
Our main technical issue for that project was the fact that we had to develop a solution with a project that we'd never used before in Camden. So that was one of the main hurdles that we had to overcome. To do that, in partnership with Red Hat Consultancy Services, we were able to set up a knowledge transfer concept where through the delivery of a project, we were able to gain knowledge and understanding of that solution that allowed us to reuse that solution on our own for subsequent projects.